In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google Finance portfolio. This task, crucial for managing your online financial assets, is a pretty straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure that you don't run into any hitches along the way. Whether you're looking to start fresh with a new portfolio or simply wish to remove one that's no longer relevant, I've got you covered. First things first, head over to Google Finance by typing www.google.com/finance into your web browser's address bar. This will take you directly to the home page of Google Finance, a comprehensive site for tracking your investments and market trends. You'll notice a sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This step is crucial because you need to be logged in to manage your portfolio. After clicking on sign in, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This should be the account associated with the portfolio you're aiming to delete. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the correct one. Once you've made your selection, you'll then be asked to enter your password. Type in your Google account password carefully and click on Next to proceed. Remember, ensuring the security of your account is paramount, so take care to enter your password correctly. Now that you're signed in, it's time to navigate to your portfolio. Look for a portfolio or investment tracking section within the Google Finance interface. The layout of Google Finance might change over time, but generally your portfolio will be easily accessible from the main menu or dashboard. If you're having trouble finding it, remember the interface is designed to be user-friendly, and a little exploration goes a long way. Upon locating your portfolio, you'll see it displayed on the screen, along with various details such as investment names, values, and performance graphs. To access the menu options for your portfolio, look for the three dots or an equivalent symbol representing more options, typically found near the title of your portfolio or at the end of its row. Click on these three dots to bring up a small menu with several actions you can take. In this menu, one of the options will be Delete. It might feel a bit daunting to click that delete button knowing it will remove your carefully curated portfolio, but if you're sure you want to proceed, go ahead and click Delete. The site will likely ask you to confirm this decision. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions, so take a moment to confirm that this is indeed what you want to do. After clicking on Delete for the confirmation, your portfolio will be permanently removed from Google Finance. It's important to note that this action cannot be undone, so make sure you have exported or saved any information you might need from your portfolio before deleting it. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your portfolio from Google Finance. This process can be repeated for any other portfolios you wish to remove. Just remember to proceed with caution and make sure you're deleting the right portfolio. Deleting a portfolio might seem like a small task, but it's an integral part of managing your financial assets online. Whether you're looking to streamline your investments, remove outdated information, or simply wish to start from scratch, understanding how to confidently navigate and manage your online presence on platforms like Google Finance is an essential skill in today's digital age. If you're looking to further organize or optimize your online financial tracking, consider exploring other features within Google Finance or similar platforms. Many offer comprehensive tools for tracking market trends, setting investment goals, and analyzing your financial health. As always, stay informed and engaged with your financial management practices for the best results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on managing your digital life and optimizing your online presence. Happy investing!